Now students, now we'll solve question number 2. Now we will solve question number 2. Sir, Priya told me to say that what? Her section, chat section is not working. Okay, Priya, follow the class. Follow the class. Okay, question number 2. Question number 2. Find the capacity in liters of a conical vessel. Conical vessels mean in the same conical, that what is included, conical means cone shape. Conical vessels, radius 7 centimeter, slant height 25 centimeter. Question number 2 have also 2 parts. Okay, question number 2 have also 2 parts. First part, oh my god, in this question, so question number 2 first part, that is given radius equal to 7 centimeter, radius equal to 7 centimeter, and slant height is 25 centimeter. Okay, now tell me students, by these two data we can evaluate the volume of cone. Write it down your answer quickly. With these two data, that radius and slant height, directly by using 7 and 25 we can use the volume, we can no. Okay, Shubham answer no. Anyone else? Quickly, beta, that 15 students are here and only 4 and 3 are typing. It's very bad. Yes, sir. Okay. Directly we cannot. Okay. Sohelika and Nola are answering that radius equal to, radius that is r and slant height L, and formula is 1/3 pi r square h. So h is not given here, but by using these two we can find the slant height. Now tell me in the chat box, what is the relation between r, L and h? Radius of the base, slant height and height of the cone. What is the relation between among these three? Write it down quickly. I want to see the first 3 students. Onnesa this time, very good. Onnesa is fast. That y square equal to L square minus r square. Very good, very good. Okay. Sir, slant height and height are not same. Yes, no, slant height and height are not same. Slant height, that is height, and that is slant height, SL. Okay, that is slant height and it is height. Okay, next first Onnesa, next Neha Bhattacharya, and third Raima. Shubham this time become 4th. Okay. Okay, very good. So relation between radius and slant height is L square equal to a square, L square equal to r square plus h square. So h square equal to L square minus r square, root of L square means 6 to 5 minus 49, that is 576. What is the square root of 596? What is the square root of 596? Sorry, 576. 576, 24. So height is at 24. Height is 24. Okay. So height is 24. Now volume equal to, what will be the formula of volume? Yes, height equal to, we know that that is plus minus 24, but in case of length we not take that minus sign. Okay, only plus sign. Yes, 1/3 pi r square is. So volume is 1/3 pi r square h. 1/3 pi r square h. In the question it is also given. In the question it is also given that pi equal to 22 by 7. Yes, pi equal to 22 by 7. So 1/3 pi 22 by 7. R means 7 into 7 and h means 24. First of all reduce it, 7 and 7. 7 7 reduce 3 and 8. So 22 into 7, that is 154. 154 into 8, what will be the value? 154 into 8, I hope that is 12 and 1 2 1 2 3 2 1 2 3 2, yes, 1 2 3 2 centimeter square. One two three two centimeter cube. Now students, it is also asked that find it out in the liter form. Find it out in the liter form. So what can I do to convert it into centimeter cube to liter? What can I do for changing 1232 into liter? 1232 into liter. Tell me. We know that 1 liter equal to 1000. Yes, 1 liter equal to 1000 centimeter cube. 1 liter equal to 1000 centimeter cube. So if I divide it by 1000, we'll get liter. So if I divide it by 1000, that will be 1.232 liter. 1.232 liter. Got it, everyone? Yes. Okay. Next question, same that part 2 is same, but some data are not same. That first of all, here's 12, here also height, radius, height is no, height is 12 centimeter, slant height is 12 centimeter. So this sum is not same. Okay. So height 12 centimeter and slant height 12 centimeter. So what will be the value of radius? Tell me. I hope that's some mistake. Tell me students that both are 12. Both are 12, yes or no? Slant height and height both are 12. I think one of them should be 13. Okay, correct it quickly. Tell me the correct statement. Which one is 13 and which one is 12? Height equal to 13, so slant height equal to 12 and it is 13. So radius will be 13 square minus 12 square. 13 square means 169 minus 144, that is 25, so equal to 5. Okay, so radius equal to 5. Now it is very much easy. What is the volume? Okay, what is the volume? Volume equal to 1/3 pi into r square h. 1/3 pi r square h. So 1/3 pi means 22 by 7, r square means 25 and h means 12. So 3, 4, that is 100, 2200 by 7. Okay, divide it quickly. 2200 by 7, divide it quickly. What will be the answer? Okay, and if you first of all, if that is centimeter cube, If you divide by 1000, that will be liter. Okay, that will be, sorry, that will be liter. So that is the answer. Reduce it. Okay, students. So students, today I have solved up to question number 2. Question number 2 of exercise 13.6. And one thing, students, question number 3 and question number 4. Question number 3, 4 and 6. Question number 3, 4 and 6 already uploaded. If you have any problem, next day you will tell me. Question number 3, 4 and 6 already uploaded in your YouTube channel, that is Bardhan Model School. If you have any problem regarding these 3 sums and also these 2 sums, okay, you can ask me. Okay, so that is, you can take that 3 sums as homework. Next day I will start from question number 5. Okay students, thank you, bye.